If you've wondered what to do naturally for your crow's feet, I have a great video for face taping for wrinkles today that I will share with you. I love doing face taping for wrinkles. This is something that I do naturally, of course, without the need of injections or any other sort of not so natural things, of course, that are available to us out there. Now, with doing the face taping for wrinkles, you need to buy some tape. So this is a cloth tape. It is a first aid tape, and it is the breathable type. This is my preferred type for this area of the face, for the face taping for your wrinkles in your crow's feet area, because it's not too sticky and tacky, and it is really easy to get off as well, depending on if you're going to sleep with this. Now you're just going to cut a small piece because this is a smaller area of the body for your face taping, and that's all that you need. You're going to smooth the skin where you do have your crow's feet, so just smooth that area. You may have to sort of use your fingers as such, and then you are simply applying the tape to that crow's feet area and smooth it down. So there you have it, face taping for wrinkles in the crow's feet area. I hope that you're going to do this at home. You can put this on. I like to do it at bedtime. And that is a great thing that you can do. You can do it throughout the day as well. Kind of like a natural Botox technique without the Botox, helping you to minimize those facial expressions in that area. Now, when you remove the tape for your face taping for your wrinkles, you are just going to lightly move, always against gravity. So I always pull up, and then I usually will follow up after I've done my face taping, is follow up with a little bit of natural mineral water spray, and then you can go on top with your serums or whatever your next routine is for your beauty routine. So there you have it. I talked all about face taping for wrinkles, for the crow's feet area specifically. I want you to do this, take before and after pictures. You can do this every single night. If you do have questions or comments for me, or you want to share your pictures as well, I would love to see them for your before and afters. Please share that info in the comment section below, and check out my other videos on my beauty series of videos all about face yoga, face massage, and of course the face taping for wrinkles as well. One of my goals is to teach you how to empower yourself over the healing of your own body, mind, and spirit. Be well, everyone.